Welcome back. I'm Jill with the carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some ranch roasted potatoes. These potatoes are coated lightly in an avocado oil, some seasonings, some ranch powder, which just makes them so delicious and every kid loves them. And I'll even show you some ways that you can level this recipe up and top it with some cheese, some bacon bits, or maybe a drizzle of ranch. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make these easy ranch roasted potatoes. And for the ingredients, I have some red potatoes, and you can use just about any size of red potatoes here. And then for the seasoning, I just have some ranch seasoning, and you can use a packet, that's fine too. I just have a big container of this. And then for the oil, I'm using an avocado oil, and this has a higher smoking point than the olive oil. So I like to use this, but you could also use olive oil. And then of course I have some salt and pepper. And after those potatoes are all cooked, these are the toppings that I really like. I have some bacon in the fridge. I'll show you how to prepare that. But then I have some sour cream, some green onions are delicious on there, and then some shredded cheddar cheese. You can use any type you like, but I have a triple cheddar blend and a medium cheddar, and I'll just use whatever is in my fridge is great. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe, we're going to cook our potatoes at a pretty high heat so we can get some nice crispy edges and then have the inside be soft and chewy. Use your hands to rub off any dirt from the potatoes. If there are any bruises or soft spots on the potato, there's no need to throw them away. Just cut it back until you get to the white flesh of the potato. Now quarter the potatoes or cut them into about 1 1/4 inch chunks. You want these to be about bite size. Now put the potatoes in a mixing bowl and drizzle them with avocado oil. You can use your hands or a large spoon to toss the potatoes to evenly coat the potatoes. Sprinkle them with salt and pepper and ranch seasoning. As you're tossing the potatoes, try to make sure they are cut evenly, and just use a spoon to mix them again to give them a nice coat evenly on all of the potatoes. Add the potatoes to a greased baking sheet. You can add a piece of parchment paper to keep it from sticking as well. And try to space them out evenly so they cook at the same rate. Bake at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes or until the edges of the potatoes are crispy and golden brown. Use a spatula to turn the potatoes over and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes so the other side can brown up and the edges can be crispy. Once the potatoes are golden brown, remove them from the oven and season with additional salt and pepper to taste. And to really level these potatoes up, you can add some shredded cheddar cheese and put them back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is golden and melted. You can also top these potatoes with sliced green onions and a drizzle of ranch dressing or sour cream. And to really go bonkers, you can add some homemade bacon bits. And to make the bacon bits, if you want to make these at home, you can just slice up some bacon and fry it in a skillet until it's crispy and golden brown, and then add those to the cheesy ranch potatoes. And voila, you've got yourself a cheesy potato side dish masterpiece. These ranch roasted potatoes are coated in a delicious ranch dressing mix and roasted to a crispy perfection. They are a seriously simple side dish that the whole family will love. Okay, and now for our cheesy ranch roasted potatoes. I mean, you are going to be a superstar in the kitchen when you make these. Layered and covered with cheese. And of course the cheese and all the toppings are optional, but it is kind of a fun twist. Take a look at that. I mean, it's so good. So good. But the potato and then the cheese and that creamy sauce, and again, like ranch or sour cream, either one will be great on this. Thanks for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. I hope you love these ranch roasted potatoes. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I'll show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.